Hey everybody, Rubber Mold Man here, and we're going to do a fresh video showing everybody how to make a proper mold release for using on latex rubber molds. There still seems to be a lot of confusion about that, but it's extremely simple, cheap, and easy to do. So let's get right to it. And remember, when you're casting concrete statues in a latex rubber mold, you must use a mold release if you want that mold to release from the statue. Otherwise, it may not come apart and you may have just destroyed your mold. And don't follow the bad advice out there of people using petroleum jelly and cooking sprays and that. I've seen all sorts of stuff out there that is actually completely wrong and dangerous information. Those kind of products will destroy your latex rubber mold. So here's all you need. Get yourself a little castor oil. You can find this easily in almost any store that has a pharmacy where they sell the stomach ailments. They usually have this down on the bottom. If not, you can find it easily. You don't need hardly any. So you go ahead and just get a small amount of it. What you're going to do is get yourself a basic little spray bottle. You're going to take about what I call a cap full of castor oil. Put it in this bottle. Now the castor oil is plant-based, not petroleum-based. Petroleum products are dangerous for latex rubber. They will destroy latex rubber. This is plant-based, not petroleum, so it's safe to use. However, it is so thick, we need to dilute it, so we use rubbing alcohol. Just your standard rubbing alcohol that you can find in any store. I suggest 70%. And then we do about 10 to 12 ounces of rubbing alcohol in with that castor oil. And again, the alcohol is simply to dilute that tiny little amount of castor oil. And then it's as simple as putting the cap on here, shake it up, get your latex rubber out. Now again, I'm outside to do this video, but you don't want to expose these to the sun for a great amount of time, of course, because that can also hurt latex rubber. But depending on the rubber insert you're using, you can even turn them inside out to make sure you're getting a good even coat, and then just spray the item. Give it a nice spray. Make sure you get that bottom edge. You do not need to spray the outside of the rubber. I've seen videos where people are spraying the outside, even with cooking spray and that doesn't do anything. You need to get the mold to separate from the statue that's going to be made inside there. So after you spray it, I suggest letting that sit upright for about a minute so any excess mold release will drain out of it. You don't want that to pool up when it's like this, or else it'll leave a bad spot in your finished statue. So let that drain out, put your mold together, and you're good to go. You can use it immediately or within about 3 days. After 3 days, you probably want to apply some more mold release. So hope that clears it up. Very simple, cheap, easy to do. Follow this channel for more upcoming tips for concrete statuary. And I'm also on TikTok, and my website is rubbermoldman.com. Hope to see you soon.